In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view templates in Asana. If you're setting up new projects repeatedly, templates can save you a ton of time and keep your workflows consistent. Today, we'll focus on how to get to the place where all those ready-made templates live so you can confidently browse what Asana offers without creating anything yet. And start by opening Asana and heading to your projects area. You'll find projects in the left sidebar of the Asana interface. This view is your hub for existing work, and it's also where you'll access the template gallery. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization if you belong to more than one, since available templates can vary depending on where you are and which team you're viewing. Once you're in projects, look for the Add tab. Depending on your screen size or layout, this may appear as a tab labeled Add near the top of the page, or as a plus icon that expands options for creating new work. Click that Add tab. When you do, Asana will display the available templates you can use. This is the template gallery. Think of it as a catalog of starting points for common workflows like onboarding, content calendars, product launches, event planning, and more. In the gallery, you'll typically see template categories to help you scan faster, along with visual cards that summarize each template's purpose. Some templates come from Asana, and you may also see templates that your team has created. If your organization has multiple teams, the list may include templates specific to those teams. You're just viewing at this stage, so there's no risk of changing anything in your workspace. A few quick tips to make this view more helpful. If the Add tab isn't visible, try widening your browser window or checking the top navigation for a plus icon. If you don't see many templates, it could be due to your plan or permissions. Different Asana plans include different sets of templates, and some custom templates are only visible to certain teams. In the gallery, pay attention to the short descriptions on each template card. They'll tell you what types of tasks, sections, and fields are included, which helps you decide whether a template aligns with your workflow. You may also notice categories or a search field in this view that can help you narrow the list when you're ready to explore further. That's all there is to it. Go to Projects, click the Add tab, and you can view the full range of templates available in your Asana workspace. From here, you'll be well prepared to choose the right starting point for any project you take on.